Today, we will be installing your Blindsgalore Luxera Roman Shades. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. Also confirm your shades fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. For Roman shades, the brackets should align with the notches in the wood headrail. To install, use a tape measure to find the center point of each notch. Mark those measurements for the drill sites of the brackets. Drill the marked points and screw in the brackets. Lift the shades into place and slide the bracket screws into the headrail. Then secure each side by tightening the wing nuts. For Roman shades wider than 36 inches, we recommend a 2-person installation. Test your shades by raising and lowering slowly to ensure even movement. We also want to check for proper tension by stopping it mid-window. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.